Motorola Razr 50 2024 review. Motorola, the Lenovo-owned brand, has joined the affordable foldable smartphone market with the release of its latest flagship this year. The recently launched Motorola Razr 50 2024 is one of the few affordable foldable phones available in the US, alongside Samsung foldables. The Motorola Razr 50 offers a host of compelling features and an enhanced user experience. If you're a Motorola enthusiast and considering investing $699 in a high-quality foldable smartphone, our review will help you make an informed decision. Here are its specifications, design, and display. In simple terms, the Motorola Razr 50 is an advanced version of last year's Razr 40 Ultra, but with the added benefit of water resistance, making it more competitive against the Samsung Galaxy foldables. New standard model features a 3.6-inch panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, similar to the Razr 40 Ultra and 50 Ultra. However, the two camera holes give it a distinct Razr appearance. The frame around the phone's periphery is made of aluminum 6000 series, which is slightly lower grade than the Ultra model, while the outer hinge cover is stainless steel, allowing the phone to be left open at any angle within a certain range. It can be used as a tabletop tripod for overhead and waist-level shooting, and it also includes a camcorder mode. When opened, the Razr features an OLED display that's noticeably flatter compared to the Galaxy Flips. The Razr 50 can be folded flat, a feature Motorola foldables offered long before Samsung. Color variants. The foldable is available in 3 vibrant colors: Spritz Orange, also known as Arabesque in some markets, Beach Sand, Pumice Stone, and Koala Gray Steel Wool eSIM port. The Razr 2024 has a single physical SIM slot, Nano, but it also supports eSIM, allowing users to configure it as a dual SIM and enjoy the benefits of eSIM when traveling. Control layout. The control layout is typical of clamshell foldables, with the power button and volume keys both in the top half. The capacitive fingerprint reader is integrated into the power button and works reliably even with the left index finger, which is in the most natural placement. Camera. The Razr 2024 is equipped with a 50MP main camera, a 32MP selfie camera, and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. Performance. The standard Razr 2024 model features a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chip and comes in 8GB and 12GB RAM variants with 256GB of storage. Charging. The Motorola Razr 50 supports 30-watt wired charging, although it doesn't offer reverse charging.